Hi you guys and welcome. So today I just want to share with you a very simple toner, and this toner is very effective. I'm going to be using potato juice, and I'm also going to use aloe vera towards the end. And it's very effective because potato juice does help tone up your skin. If you have uneven skin tone or you have dark patches anywhere in your body, then you can always use potato juice and it's going to work wonders for you. And potato juice is also very good if you're trying to get rid of wrinkles or any fine lines, and it also has properties that help prevent aging. So it's very important and it's a very good toner. You can try it out and it leaves your face feeling always very fresh and very smooth. And aloe vera gel is also very good because it helps to hydrate your skin, and it's also very effective. So guys, what we need to do now is just peel our potato and then just grate it so that we can get the juice. What you're going to be using is the potato juice, so we're just going to grate it up and sieve out the juice. So our juice is now ready, guys, as you can see. And now what you need to do is just go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. But if you have the fresh aloe vera gel, just go ahead and use that because it's most effective when it's fresh. So I'm only going to add 2 tablespoons and then I'm going to mix it very well. So this is the kind of consistency you want it to have. And what you need to do is just apply it on your face and leave it for about an hour or so until it completely dries up. But then you can also just apply it at night and just leave it overnight and then wash it off in the morning, and it works amazingly that way. You can also use the fresh aloe vera gel. If you have the fresh aloe vera, just use that because it's most effective when it's fresh. And you can also go ahead and make a bigger batch than this one. Then you can store it in the fridge for about a week and that will be much easier. You just need to take a cotton ball, just apply it on your face and then you're good to go. So this is our toner, guys. It's amazing. Try it out, and if you like it, do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up.